don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal.
Alright, you guys, so I'm about to get my knotless braids, but this time I'm switching it up on you guys. I am going to add some blonde hues. I'm going to use the colors 27 and 613, and she's going to blend it. I have one, it's of course from the Spetra brand, so I have the T27, which I got from Amazon. So it's like a two-tone. It's the mixture of the 27 613, and then it goes to blonde, and then she's gonna mix this color with a platinum blonde. So I am just gonna get braids this time, and then I probably switch it up to like a sew-in or something for my little protective style, because I'm trying to grow my hair long, okay? So yeah, I want you guys to see the process, and she's gonna blend the hair and make it look good, and I know it's gonna look nice because like I don't know, I feel like it'll look good with my skin complexion. I'm excited to see the results and have my little protective style, so let's go. Alright, so we did the first color, and it almost gives like an ash blonde. It's really pretty. We mixed the T27 613, which is the two-tone, with the 27. So this dark part up here is of course my color hair, and it looks really nice. Yeah, we excited. Look at that blend right there.
Look at that blend right there.
Yeah. And I got it, she has it going to my butt. Ain't that right?
Yes.
And she got blonde too. Now hers is 27 with some hues of 613.
Yes. I was lazy with myself. I was like, I'm not gonna blend it. I'm just gonna.
And she has hers going all the way to her butt. Next time I think I'm gonna do the bohemian. Oh, excuse me, to the ankles. To the ankles. Alright, so we are up here blending, chopping, and screwing.
We're blending T27 613 ombre with just 27. So it's right here. We're mixing it.
Yep.
We're just blending it, straightening it, all that stuff.
And then this right here, we're gonna take the 27 and mix it with the blonde, but we're gonna have different options, so like that.
We're gonna have different options. We're gonna go back and forth, back and forth.
Back and forth, yes.
So it's like, what is she? Who is she? What is that? You know? Trying to look different.
Yeah.
What is that color? I never seen it. It's my color.
It's gonna be a hand blended.
How's that?
Pretty. I like.
Perfect.
And she's doing some Beyonce colors. I got you all naked and stuff.
Am I naked? If this is naked, check my Instagram. Stop.
Is this fun? So we're experimenting.
We're making our own invention, girl. We are our own factory.
Oops,
we make our own hair.
Yeah, I'm excited. I love it. I love that blend right there. I tried to do this, but you know,
it went wrong.
She's trying to play me. Look.
Delete, escape, back space.
I ain't got the hands. I had hair all on the floor. I can't do it. I'm gonna just leave it to the professional. I tried to assist. You know what I mean?
She tried to help me out. That's so sweet. Nice.
I was a little nervous because you know I have a professional job and.
Big boss job. Big boss job. Business card and everything.
But I just be nervous, you know, with the blonde. But I think it's gonna be okay. You know, I usually keep my hair in a bun anyway. But I got the job already, so I secured the bag, so it don't matter no more. You know how we do? We come to the job interview.
We come to the job interview like Becky.
And then
we come the next week like
Bonchiqua. You're like, oh. You hired me already.
Oops, did I not tell you?
That'll look like somebody else every week.
Did I not mention?
Basically.
Who you want today? Stephanie, Ashley, or Quisha Shay Nene? Water balloon Drea?
They have that new thing out on Instagram where they're like, this is the Instagram me, this is the LinkedIn me, this is the Facebook me.
This is the customer service on the phone me. Hi, my name is Melanie.
Facts.
What's up?
Facts. That's how it really is. Alright, so this is what it's looking like right now. It has more of like a ash blonde honey color, and it's looking good. I'm really satisfied. And this is what it looks like outside, just so you can have the natural light.
We should do a mukbang.
A what?
Mukbang one day.
Yeah, and it's kind of like,
Oh, we should do a mukbang
Yes, we're gonna do a mukbang one day. A mukbang, yeah.
just know.
I feel like
This is
it
weird.
can be funny.
What you wanna eat?
Like,
It could be crab legs. It could be.
Okay. How pointy do you make yours? Like very pointy?
It could be
I don't
anything.
know. Yes, we will have so much fun. That would be fun. Oh, and we should drink too with it.
Yes.
Leave a comment below if you think that we should do a mukbang, and put what you think we should eat and drink. Okay? Yes.
Put us on to some shit.
Stay tuned.